He was right here in this corner, right here in this little hole. You can probably position yourself to cast in there and see if there's another one. It's a keeper. Woo! Woo! Fish on. Ah! You want to keep him? Okay, to share? Yeah, we can. You want to share? Time to share?
Yeah.
17 and a half. Going in the cooler, buddy. Megan's on over here already. What you got? Red? Catfish? Not a good start. Good fight though, huh? You I have the, you want to try to do it yourself? Okay. God damn. Pulling some oh yeah, it's a sail cat too. I haven't caught one of those lately. Alright, you know I'm gonna bring yours. It's okay, it's okay. Yeah, keep his head out of the water. Go in front. Yep, right. Hold him right in front of you. There you go, right there. There you go. Right there. Okay, okay. Nope, don't leave him in the water. Don't let him out.
Pretty though. Bye. Thanks. I appreciate it though. You got me excited.
All right, guys. We didn't really do an intro. Just started fishing. We started late in the afternoon. We didn't launch till about noon today. But Megan's out here with me, and I've caught 2 trout. She's caught a catfish on artificial. But we're heading up here. There's some blow-ups, and I'm pretty sure there's a school of jacks running up and down here. So hopefully we can get on those bad boys. Megan's about here, and that's it. Come on, what are they waiting for? What are they waiting for? Oh, some up there in the leading pack. Let's get in front of them. Let's get in front of them. Come on, let's go. There we go. Got one. I got one. Oh, hold on. No. Go behind me. No. Oh yeah. Go ahead. Throw in front. Yeah, that's fine. He's just going to the right. Yeah. Oh no, I'm not good. He's coming right under you, baby. Bad spot. Bad spot. Bad spot. Oh my God. Yep. Cut me off. Go ahead. Catch your fish. Catch your fish. Just cut me off. You got one on? Are you on? You're not. You're not. You would know. You cut my line. Yeah, it's okay. Keep fishing. Keep fishing. Get yours. That was horrible, mommy. There you go. Oh, fuck. No, it's okay. I'm just down to 1 rod. I gotta sit down and reset.
I gotta tell you, that's the most fucking thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, that's why I was telling you to hurry up. I was like, hurry up, hurry up.
They were hitting the kayak.
I know. It's all right. I got 1 more rod and then I gotta retie everything. You're good. You're good. You're good, baby. I tried to tell you, but then it was kind of too late, and I thought you were on, and you were.
I didn't think not go forward.
It's okay. You're good. He's gonna turn left and right.
I do.
Nothing. You're just keep fighting him. I wouldn't anchor yet. Once you got them in your net, then you can throw down your anchor. If you need help, but see if I don't know where they went. I'm always taping. Here we go. Mommy's got one. I think they went that way. It's all right. We'll find them again. They'll do that again. There you go. Follow them.
I'm the boss. I'm gonna name this one Marley.
Marley. Yeah, he's a nice one. He's a nice one. On that rod, how'd that first run feel when he finally?
It was a very intense because I felt him, and then they were hitting the boat like all
Yeah, I admit, I'm trying to make sure there's no line on there. It probably got cut in your. All right, get some reverse on you, just to keep them away from the mangroves. Yep, just like that's good. That's good. In case he tries to make a run that way.
No, that was a lot.
That was the first time you've seen that. I know.
I was so out of breath when I got there. I'm not listening. Oh, we're going forward.
I know.
My brain was trying to process everything at once and to go into reverse.
All right. Oh. There he is. They just do this now. Yep. There you go. Keep going. There you go.
Yeah, this one is Marty.
Yep. Bring the rod up a little bit. No more reeling. Not right now. There you go. You got that leader line. Get him under there. Got him. Hell yeah, mommy. What a mess, but we got one. All right, drop. Here, I'll.
Back there.
There we go. Oh. Right there. All right, here we go.
Wait.
Oh. I'll do that one a portrait. Hold on. Ready? Oh, I got that one. All right. Man, he's so big here. Oh. Okay, well, people eat these, but we're not gonna eat them.
No, not even.
Holy crap! 22 to the 4th, and then 25.5 total.
Yeah, phone picture of this.
You wanna? Okay.
Yep.
You get out of the way. Yep. Just cast that way now. They're over here. Oh no, I'm in trouble. No. He's gonna cut me off. There's no way I'm gonna get him out of there. No. Oh man, what is going on? Can't get right today. Can't get right. That's because I was going. Let him do too much, okay? I'm gonna unbuckle you. Go in reverse right now. Go in reverse. Pump. Get them away from all the mangroves. Get them away from everything. You might already be there. Start reeling. That's fine. That's better. You want them out there.
No, I know. I was trying to just go on.
Yep. Keep them out there. That might be a red. Can't tell. Can you see him? Oh, that looks like a red, maybe. That's a good red, Mommy. Keep that line tight. Don't worry about what's happening. Don't worry about what's... Yep. That's a good red. That's that 28-incher I saw yesterday, 30-incher. Yeah. She looks like she might be ready.
Not rushing shit.
I know, but you don't want her sitting there either. You want her, she's kind of already tired. Come on. There you go. Start lifted. Oh. Yep. Yep, yep. Keep going. Don't worry about that. There you go. Oh. Oh my God. That's a big red. I can net her. Net her. Net her. Do not try to lift her up like that. Yep. Net her. Get her in the net, baby. Nice. Drop your anchor real quick. Drop your anchor. We're going to end up in the mangroves. I know. Lean to your... There you go. Lean the other way now. There you go. Damn. I mean, she's got... Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on that side. Beautiful ones too, mommy. This is going to make some good pictures. Here we go. Look at that freaking beauty. No, no, you take that off in case she flips off. She doesn't have that in her mouth. You know what I'm saying? Last thing you want her is her getting away with that in her mouth. Got it? All right. Let's put her back. Try to grab her tail real good right now. No, no, with her, yeah, really good. Get a good grip on it. Yep. Really good grip on it. Now put her in the water.
Look, she's on my fucking leg.
Let me let me see. Can you do it on this side, baby, so I can try to get some underwater footage? Hold on. Oh, look at that. There's 2 crabs right here. See them? See them? There's one on, no, he's on top of a little one. Good job, mommy. I think so. We have to look. You want to get out of that thing and come chase them. They're over here. They wouldn't commit all the way over here. I had to take the anchor out and go chase them. Okay, okay. You can be patient there, but I brought him away from all the rest. There's some birds going off over there too. Look, see them? In that corner, there's some birds going crazy over there. Yep, this is a jack. There he goes. Jack attack. All right. Got him. Got him. I'm gonna have you. Yeah. I told you to get out of your. I was like, you have to get your anchor off. I took my anchor off and went to chase them. Oh, he's ready to go. See, like this.
Yeah, one minute.
Mommy was like.